me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today I just finished filming a video and DK is crying. I need to go and attend to him. Anyways, if you're new, subscribe, like, comments and share at the end of this video, and I'll see you guys. Continue watching. I'm going to be taking off this makeup. I don't know, I'm done with it for today. Yeah, and I'll see you guys. Keep on watching.
I don't know where we go. I feel like it's changed love. I'm losing my mind, feeling that kind of love. I feel like a deep hole. Will you give me something that I can't give you here? Tell me what you're thinking, I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, and I feel like I don't need.
Hey guys, so I just got back from the market. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. Let me show you guys. It has refused to, the lens has refused to extend. I don't know why. I've been trying to film since I left, but it was not working. But I'm using my phone right now. I'm still gonna rectify it. I don't know what's wrong with it. Anyways, I just got back from the market. I went to buy stuff for the week and I'm back home. So yeah, let's go. You guys, I've been working on this camera for the past 1 hour in this room and I'm almost crying. I've been sweating. Like, finally the lens has started coming out again. God, I almost cried today, I swear. Camera that I've never used up to how many months, you're already having issues. Anyways, this thing just spoils my mood now. I don't need to share that. So you guys, I made NKWOBI. I'm going to show you guys. I didn't film the process because I wasn't sure. This is my second time of trying to make NKWOBI, so I think I tried, but let me show you guys. So here it is. I want to microwave because I wanted to film this part. My camera was on. So let me microwave it. I'm gonna enjoy. Hi guys, so it's gonna be a brutality. Oh my oh my Oni, move your effigy to step number 10. Oh my, I moved it. Big brother will go and shower. Hi guys, so today is Big Brother. This is mad. Jesus, you guys, I don't fart finish. You see my arm. Kerem. See am for here. Oya, come. You guys, so today I've just decided to come and tell you guys that I have made up my mind. I've made up my mind about my hair. I'm going to relax my hair. I think before the end of this week, I'll be relaxing my hair. I'm tired. I am tired of natural hair. I'm tired of the work that comes with it. I'm tired of looking dirty, unkept, scattered. Even when I look good, I've just finished having my bath. My hair will still look so messy. So please, yeah, just to let you guys know, I'm going to be relaxing my hair anytime from now on. Yeah, so it's almost 8 o'clock. It's almost 9 o'clock, and it's time to go and freshen up for the night. We're even having a bath very late today. So yeah, let's go. No, don't touch it.
My head in the clouds, I don't know where we go. I feel like it's changed, love. I'm losing my mind, feeling that kind of love. I feel like a deep hole. Will you give me something that I can give you here? Tell me what you're thinking, I need to know you're feeling. If you crush on me, you need to know my story. But don't get too close to me, cause I need my fantasy. Here I am, falling down, crashing down, and I feel like I don't need you. Here I am, falling down, deep inside, and I feel like I don't need you. Sun shining, and all these good times, we know we had something. Don't feel the vibe when we're not flow.
Hi. Right there. Hey guys, so today is Tuesday, and I'm supposed to have uploaded a video today. Sometimes filming all this content is not easy, you guys. I cannot even explain. Can let me just give you guys a little bit of rundown of what happened. So if you have watched through this video, you guys will know that I was having issues with my camera, so I was able to rectify it, although it's still doing the same thing off and on. So at the end of the day, I went and reset it back to the way it was before, and I forgot that I was supposed to put the filming part in the filming setting in what they call it, MP4, so that I can export it easily. And I left it like that and filmed the remaining part of all the videos, and I forgot. When I was ready to export it for editing, you guys, I could not export any of it. I had to put it on my laptop, transfer it there, reduce the size, transfer it back. Like, oh god, if I tell you that I wasn't at the verge of quitting, like anyways, that's what happened. That's just quarter of what happened. I was mad, I was angry, I was, oh god, Jesus. Anyways, I wanted to, about the room that I'm doing, my room that I'm trying to change the everything. I'll be making a separate video on that. I've not yet gotten everything I need for the room. That's why I do not really show you guys much about it. Yeah, so that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. This vlog was just, I don't know, it's not something I'm not even feeling the vlog too. Please if you're not feeling it, won't be angry. It will not happen next time. Hopefully, yeah. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, good night.